Hello, this is FASTECH. Prior to the detailed product description, let me briefly introduce the FASTECH EtherCAT product line. Here is a brand called Ezi-SERVO. Ezi-SERVO is a closed-loop stepping system product line. And there is a brand called Ezi-STEP. Ezi-STEP is an open-loop micro-stepping system product line. Lastly, the brand Ezi-IO is an I/O module product line, including digital I/O module, analog I/O module, and counter module. So, FASTECH EtherCAT product line has the Ezi-SERVO brand of the closed-loop stepping system, the Ezi-STEP brand of the open-loop micro-stepping system, and the Ezi-IO brand of the I/O module. Let's take a look at each product brand one by one. First, Ezi-SERVO brand. Ezi-SERVO brand has 5 products, including Ezi-SERVO EtherCAT, a standard type of closed-loop stepping system; Ezi-SERVO EtherCAT Mini, a mini drive type; the 4-axis drive type Ezi-SERVO EtherCAT 4X, and the 8-axis drive type Ezi-SERVO EtherCAT 8X. And Ezi-SERVO EtherCAT All, an all-in-one type that combines a motor, a high-resolution encoder, a drive and EtherCAT network. Next, Ezi-STEP brand. Ezi-STEP brand has 3 products including Ezi-STEP EtherCAT, a standard type of open-loop micro-stepping system; Ezi-STEP EtherCAT Mini, a mini drive type; and Ezi-STEP EtherCAT 4X, a 4-axis drive type. Finally, Ezi-IO brand. Ezi-IO brand has 3 products including digital I/O module, analog I/O module, and counter module. So, FASTECH has a total of 11 EtherCAT products. Since there are various types of products, FASTECH can provide EtherCAT Total Solutions. Among 11 types of products, I'd like to introduce the digital I/O module, Ezi-IO EtherCAT. First of all, I will explain the combination model name of Ezi-IO EtherCAT product. In the example model name, I/O means input and output module, and EC means the product using the EtherCAT network. I16016N means that the product has 16 input channels and 16 output channels, and the type of the product is NPN. E means that Econ connector is applied. Ezi-IO EtherCAT has 2 options, 16 and 32 channels, and it is possible to select input alone, output alone, or mixed input and output. For example, I16N model supports 16 input channels only, O16N model supports 16 output channels only, and I808N model supports 8 input channels and 8 output channels together. And there are 2 types of selectable connector Econ and terminal block. Now let's check the features of Ezi-IO EtherCAT products. First of all, Ezi-IO EtherCAT supports Econ connector and terminal block. In the case of the Econ connector type, the Econ connector allows convenient attachment and detachment of peripheral devices such as various sensors. Terminal block type uses ferrule terminals for easy one-touch wiring. Therefore, you can easily connect and control peripheral devices such as various sensors. Next, Ezi-IO EtherCAT provides 16-channel products and 32-channel products. The 16-channel product has 16-channel input type and 16-channel output type, and the 32-channel product has 32-channel input type and 32-channel output type, and there are also modules with combined input-output. For example, in case of 16-channel product, 8 input channel and 8 output channel combination product is available, and in case of 32-channel product, 16 input channel and 16 output channel combination product is available. In addition, Ezi-IO EtherCAT provides NPN-type and PNP-type products to support input-output methods of various peripheral devices. Ezi-IO EtherCAT is a digital I/O module using a photocoupler. The maximum input current for each channel is 15 mA and the maximum output current is 200 mA. Ezi-IO EtherCAT is compatible with various EtherCAT master controllers. So far, we have checked the features of Ezi-IO EtherCAT. From now on, I will show you videos of the demonstration with Ezi-IO EtherCAT applied. First, this is a demonstration showing various patterns of LED lighting by controlling Ezi-IO EtherCAT using EtherCAT Master from Omron, Japan. The product names used in this demonstration are as follows. Terminal block type output 32 channels 3 units and output 16 channels 1 unit. Econ connector type output 32 channels 3 units and output 16 channels 1 unit. That is, a total of 8 Ezi-IO EtherCAT products are delivered through EtherCAT communication. They are connected by daisy chain. And you can see that a total of 8 I/O modules are simultaneously controlled through Omron's EtherCAT Master. Next, it is a demonstration of controlling the Delta robot of German Aegis company. Ezi-IO EtherCAT, a digital I/O module, was applied to the demo to control the color of the LED. And the product supports 16 output channels of terminal block type. The product names used in this demonstration are as follows. You can see that the color of the LED installed in the demonstration is controlled by Ezi-IO EtherCAT. The Ezi-IO EtherCAT product used in the demonstration has a push-in spring type terminal block. A product with the Econ connector is also available. So far, we have introduced Ezi-IO EtherCAT. The next product to be introduced is Ezi-IO EtherCAT AD, an EtherCAT-based analog input module. First of all, I will explain the combination model name of Ezi-IO EtherCAT AD product. In the example model name, I/O means input and output module, and EC means the product using the EtherCAT network. AD08 means that the product supports 8 analog input channels, and T means that terminal block is applied. Now let's check the features of Ezi-IO EtherCAT AD products. First, as explained before, Ezi-IO EtherCAT AD provides terminal block type products. The ferrule terminals enable easy wiring, and analog peripheral devices such as various sensors can be easily connected with one touch. Next, it supports the CIA401 profile, which is a device profile for I/O modules, and can be connected to an EtherCAT master without any topology limitation. All EtherCAT synchronization modes, free run, SM event, and DC sync event, are supported, so you can select a synchronization mode according to the purpose of use. Ezi-IO EtherCAT AD is also compatible with various EtherCAT master controllers. Ezi-IO EtherCAT AD supports voltage or current input mode. The input mode can be easily selected through the dip switch. When the switch is off, it is a voltage input, and when it is on, it operates as a current input. In case of input range, in voltage input mode, it can be set by EtherCAT SDO communication or by adjusting dip switch. For the voltage input range, there are 4 settings: -10 to 10 volt, -5 to 5 volt, -2.5 to 2.5 volt, and 0 to 10 volt. When using current input mode, Set number 1 of the input range setting switch to off to set SDO communication, and the current input range is 0 to 20 mA. When setting the input range through SDO communication mentioned earlier, set through the subindex 2 input range of objects 2200 to 2207 corresponding to inputs 1 to 8 among EtherCAT objects. And the input range values according to the input values are as shown in the table. Next, we will explain what kind of digital value the input analog data is converted into. When the input range value is 0, 1, 2, that is, when the voltage input range is -10 to 10 volt, -5 to 5 volt, and -2.5 to 2.5 volt, the analog data value of the corresponding voltage range is converted to a digital value between -4096 and 4095. When the input range value is 3, that is, when the voltage input range is 0 to 10 volt, the input analog data value is converted to a digital value of 0 to 8191. And in the case of current input mode, the input range value is 4, and the current input range is 0 to 20 mA. At this time, the analog data value of the current range is converted to a digital value of 0 to 8191 as shown in the graph. Finally, a moving average filter is available for the analog signal input to each channel. If the input analog data fluctuates significantly due to noise, the effect of noise can be reduced by smoothing the data with a moving average filter. The filter time interval of the moving average filter can be set between 0 and 100 milliseconds through the filter buffer length of the subindex 3 of the object 2200 through 2207 of the object corresponding to the input 1 to 8 among the EtherCAT objects, and the filter time interval value according to the input range is the same as the table. So far, we have introduced Ezi-IO EtherCAT AD. On the FASTECH website www.fastech-motions.com, you can download product-related materials such as catalogs, manuals, drawings, and watch demonstration videos, and webinars. Also, if you search FASTECH on YouTube, you can see about more than 100 demonstration and webinar videos. Thank you for listening.